Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. So, the other day I posted a reel showing this little Canva animation, and I did not expect it to do as well as it did. But lots of you have come and you've asked for a longer tutorial, so here we are, we're gonna give it to you. Now, first things first, we're going to head to Canva and then we're going to start a new presentation. Now, over on the left-hand side, we're going to click on Elements. Then we're gonna scroll to Shapes and we're gonna click See All. We're going to use a circle in today's design. We're going to drop it onto the slide and then we're going to change our background color to a light blue because we want to start off with something soft and clean. I like this shade right here. Next, we're going to click on the circle and we're going to fill the circle with white. It's nice, it's simple, and it's minimal. I prepped 4 drink PNGs. Let's bring in the first drink of the day. We're going to shrink this drink down a bit and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now we're going to bring in the second drink. Cheers. We're going to rotate this one 180 degrees and we're going to size it to match the first one, and we're always going to keep it consistent as well. Then we're going to do the same for the last 2 drinks and we're going to arrange them evenly around the circle like a little carousel. You want each drink to peek out from behind the circle, but not fully take over the slide. Now comes the fun part. Hold Shift and select the circle and all 4 drinks. Click and we're going to hit Group. This is just going to lock everything together so we can move it as one big piece. Now we're going to scale the group up slightly and we're going to slide it to the left so that only 1 drink is fully visible. Once you've got it looking good, we're going to go ahead and add a title and some details. For example, we might add in the name of the drink as a title and some features of the drink as well. You can then play with fonts here. So I like to keep it clean and modern given our theme. And this is where the animation then starts. We're going to click on page 1 and then we're going to press Control and D at the same time to duplicate it. Now on the second slide, we're going to grab that grouped element and we're going to rotate it so that the second drink then moves into our view. Now we're going to update the title and text for the second drink. Then we're going to duplicate that second slide. We're going to rotate it again to bring in the third drink and again, swap the text. One more time for the 4th drink, and then by the end, we will have 4 slides, each one showing a different drink in the spotlight. Kind of like a slideshow version of a product highlight reel, if you will. All right, now we're going to move on and we're going to add some smooth transitions. This brings it all together cohesively. So we're going to click between slide 1 and slide 2. We're going to go to transitions and we're going to select match and move. We're going to set the timing to 1.5 seconds and then we're going to scroll down and we're going to click apply between all pages. This makes your presentation feel way more polished. And guess what? We're still just in Canva. And guess what? We didn't even have to get Canva Pro. This is with Canva's free version. We've now given you a presentation that's clean, that's aesthetic, and that's animated and looks way more complicated than it actually is using Canva's free version. Seriously, this is perfect for product launches and mood boards for teams that are really, really lean. This can also be great for client pitches or even just for fun, just to create fun things yourself. Now, if this tutorial helped you, please go ahead and tap that like button. It really does help support the channel and it helps us reach more people that might need it. So please leave a comment if you want the template or if you have another Canva idea that you want me to explore and break down next. And of course, please subscribe if you're into these quick tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.